farm tour. Here's the Ford 7000. It's dual power. We pretty much use this for anything on the farm that it can do with its 95 horsepower capability. We got 8 weights on the front, and that's pretty much it. Oh, also, this is a 1974 model. Here's my lawnmower. I'm sorry for that pause. I'm gonna see if it'll crank over. Crank over just fine. And we got my dad's F350 Super Duty Power Stroke Diesel V8 extended cab. This is a 2002 with an International engine in it. Then we got the Ford 4630, 55 horsepower, with 4 weights in the front, and Mickey Mouse has a good luck charm. Then we got the Ford 120 over here. Transmission is messed up though. Yeah, and then we got this 1963 Cub Cadet. Transmission is messed up on it, and then there's the engine over there. That's pretty much it. See you guys later.